Okay, so we have a step counter and tracker. Isn't the same thing, but looks promising. Lots of screens. Have little design system. I already know I'm gonna hate it just because of the typography, but it looks like they have a few options. So, ta-da-da. Looks like there's a lot of stuff here. Ooh, what's with the contrast and stuff? But let's see how it looks. Let's go with the light mode. Why do you need this shit? You don't. I'm also mirroring this on the device just so I can get a better sense of things. Doesn't look good, doesn't look great. For example, typography, like the line heights are a bit off. And this text also, it's hard to read. The borders could be a bit more obvious. I can barely see them on the device. Same with the... I feel like there's one dude on UI 8 that does all the fitness app and he keeps making the same mistakes. He never learns. I don't know. I don't want to be mean, but yeah. This could be like a nice interaction. You can see that. Maybe make the guy turn or something to make it more interactive. But, you know, I get it. For the prototype, it works. These custom controls look really bad on the iPhone. Okay, so you're gonna grant some permissions. You're gonna rip off some Airbnb/0. But look, this looks good. I like that. On the UX side, it looks quite solid. Interesting choice for the typography. Okay. So you're tracking, track. Ooh, we have some reporting. This is like lazy because this is what you already get in the fitness app. Like, why would you? Maybe this calendar is more useful because you see what you skipped and not, but you can also like see this without needing an extra app. And these look absolutely terrible, especially on the device. Why would you choose this one? Yeah, I mean, for a design exercise, I think it's great, easy to improve. As an app, probably you can get a better fitness starter kit, to be honest. There are not that many screens, right? You have some themes, which, you know, interesting. But I don't know. What happens if I change it to Neo Brutalist? It's gonna take a few seconds if it works. Which I guess it doesn't. Does it? Huh. So wait, what changed? I'm a bit confused. So just the buttons. Oh, it works, but still not really worth it.